Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner, you will need the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the repair. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged and completely powered off. Locate the screws on the back of the trigger housing. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the two screws holding the trigger in place. Set these screws aside in a safe location. Next, gently pull the trigger away from the housing. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it loose if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the trigger is removed, take a moment to clean the area with a dry cloth to remove any accumulated dust or debris. Now, take the new trigger and align it with the housing. Make sure it fits snugly into place. If you're unsure about the fit, feel free to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. After confirming the trigger is properly seated, replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Ensure they are tight but not overly so, as this could damage the housing. Once the screws are secured, test the trigger by pressing it a few times. It should move smoothly without any resistance. If it feels stiff or doesn't engage properly, you might want to check for any misalignment or debris still in the housing. If you encounter any issues during this process or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience. This way, you won't have to worry about traveling or making calls to arrange a repair. Just let us know, and we will handle everything for you. Now, let's move on to cleaning the internal components of your Dyson V11. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your vacuum remains in top condition. Using your tweezers, carefully remove any hair or debris from the brush bar and the filters. Make sure to check the HEPA filter as well, it's crucial for maintaining air quality. If the filter looks dirty, rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, then allow it to dry completely before reinserting it back into the vacuum. Regularly cleaning your vacuum can prevent clogs and enhance suction power. Lastly, if you feel uncertain about the entire process or simply prefer to have a professional handle it, we provide a quote before repair. This ensures you know exactly what you're paying for upfront, allowing you to make an informed decision without any surprises. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that requires minimal tools and a bit of patience. Following these steps will help you maintain your vacuum's performance. And remember, for any repairs or maintenance, we're just a call away to assist you with our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.